Greetings, Sergio. I'm sitting here. I got about 10 minutes before I pick up a private client at Miami Airport. It's easier for me to do these short videos than to type emails. And hopefully, I can start to, in a positive way, help you show drivers that negativity is a road to failure and the importance of being elite. So I want to take you through the last, since 4 a.m. this morning. So what you're looking at here is 6 scheduled rides. They start with the $31.38 extra comfort. So that's when my day began at 4:14 a.m. Again, when you're elite, you see these rides early. So let's go to the first 31.38 ride. Okay, you can see the upfront pay. You can see it's only 18 miles. And you can see it's a comfort ride. And then if you scroll down, you can see that there was 20% turbo, which I picked up, a tip, and all in all, $31 for 18 miles is a win. And then I had a second one, which is a regular Lyft. 8 miles, 16 up front, 2102, and again, 40% turbo. The key is with these reserve rides that you really get a true bonus. So now we're going to go to today because it carried over. And at 9:14, oh no, let's go to the full daily. Okay, it continued at 5:44. Again, a regular Lyft ride. You could see another tip, another 553 bonus for 6.84 miles. Again, this is regular Lyft. This isn't black. No advantages here. 30% turbo. Another tip. I guess it does pay to be nice. Put people's luggage in the car. Get out of that victim mentality. Then the next scheduled ride was the 7:14 ride for $36.92. But look what I picked up with the destination filter on, taking me to my scheduled ride. An $11.17 regular Lyft. 10 miles. That's over $1 a mile. Didn't pick up a turbo, but I was going to pick up the $36 ride anyway. Which again, this $36.92 is another reserve ride. $8.77 tip. Another tip. Regular Lyft. I don't know what the $1.09 bonus is for, but let's take a look. Preferred driver bonus. So there was no turbo on that one. And then I went home. I had a few minutes. I took a shower. And then I had another Now it's after 9:14. I got to the port of Miami, and I took this ride, the extra comfort ride, because I had to pick up my private client at Miami Airport. So I made $31 driving to pick up my private client. So I dropped the person off. I still had an hour or so to kill, and I took 2 regular rides, very local, a regular Lyft again for $11. That was a total of 8 miles, another decent ride. And then a 7:16 ride, which again, normally I wouldn't take this, 6:49 for 8.85 miles. But again, look where it let me out, right at Miami Airport. So you need to just put a little mind and effort into it. Believe it or not, I'm cherry picking the way cherry picking should be done. I'm cherry picking while remaining elite, keeping my acceptance rate over 90%, and getting all the benefits of being an elite driver. I will never play the victim. Victimhood equals failure. I think this is very important for drivers to understand. As bad as Uber and Lyft are, and we know what despicable companies they are, if you just use your head and plan properly, you can still make tremendous profits. So now if you look at so far my daily totals, okay, this is today. I made $122.99 on 7 rides. Now remember, those 2 or 3 rides I showed you before 5 a.m. go on yesterday's earnings. So you take $123, and then you go back to the 18th, and you look at the 2 rides that I took. So 122 and 31 and 21. And now I'm sitting here waiting for a private client who I'm going to get paid cash for to take her home. It's not hard. But if everybody enters things with a negative attitude, you're going to get negative results. I told you this the other day. Success is no accident, and neither is failure. Use this however you want, hopefully to teach people.